Oh my, well, what's going on here? Well, you can see there's a bunch of water coming out of there. I'm at the end of the driveway right now, and as you can see, the hose goes all the way to the backyard. And those of you who follow my videos probably know exactly why this is happening. Yep, the pool project has begun. The pool guy just came, shut the equipment off, and right now we are pumping out the water from the pool. It only started a few minutes ago, so you can see it's still kind of high, but it's definitely making its way down right now. I'll go over to the deep end on this side, show you what the pump looks like. Took the Polaris out and everything. There's the pump right there. He tied it to the hook on the rock by the waterfall there that we used to hold the winter cover on. And it's hanging down there and in the water right now. And the plan is they're going to leave about 3 feet of water in the deep end, just for weight purposes. Even with gunite pools, it's good to have something like that. And he says this pump pumps about like 7,000 gallons per hour, which is amazing. And this pool is about like, I don't know, 40,000 something gallons, something like that. And it's already a lot lower since he first started pumping. So this is going to be pretty exciting because I haven't walked in the pool without water in it for 19 years now, so it's been quite a while. He says, I'll be surprised how big the pool looks when it's actually empty, or almost empty, and I'm like, yeah, I can imagine. I haven't seen it like that way for so long. By the way, I want to show you guys something. Now that the equipment is shut off, there's one of the floor jets right there. Do you see that? It might not focus, but that's one of the floor jets right there, okay? There's 3 of them. That's the one where the slow leak is happening. Again, I patched it up and slowed it down, but it's not totally perfect. It's not really focusing, sorry. But that's where it's happening. And then, see how the jet is recessed in the floor? It shouldn't be like that. It should be flush with the floor when it's not running. And there's the drain grate right there that they're going to replace. They'll have more openings, which is nice. So yeah, that's where the leak was happening from the 2013 video, if you remember. And I'm really looking forward to this. This is like a part 1 video of sorts. Polaris is right there once again. And go over to the equipment. Here's the floating chlorinators. I took those out. Everything has been unplugged. Actually, there's one thing he didn't unplug, but I'll take care of that. He's unplugged the main pump and the booster pump, so I guess you could say these guys are like on vacation now, of sorts. And he says he did not unplug the waterfall pump because he wasn't sure of it, but that's okay. Waterfall pump is right there, and plug is right here, so bam, don't have to worry about the pumps running dry. So this is quite a, this is gonna be quite a thing, you know. I've never, like I said, I haven't seen the water without, let me say that again. I haven't seen the pool without much water in it for several years, so it's going to be very interesting as to how this all happens. I'm not, what am I trying to say here? This is probably the only video I'm going to make for this evening because it's around, what time is it now? It's just after 7 o'clock, so it's getting a little bit on the later side. Maybe I'll come back out and do another check on it, but if not, I'll make a video here again the next morning, and this is going to look a lot different because the water will be a lot lower. So, hey guys, it's just about an hour later now. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening, right on the dot. I just checked my phone, and you can see the progress that the pump has made. I just want to give you a shot of this. There's a couple of other things I wanted to fill you in on. Right there is the rope attachment that we haven't used in years, but you know, it's going to stay there and everything. But you can see, and now you can kind of see the tile damage down there that I showed you a couple of years ago, so you can really see what I was talking about. So the pool water is now below the skimmers. It's making its way down. So I'm looking at the pump again. Maybe it's going to get down to just to the bottom of the floor, maybe. But what I wanted to give you guys was I didn't tell you exactly how the project's going to go, like what the schedule is. So the first thing they're going to do is our landscaping guy is going to, once the water gets down to the level, they're going to install scaffolding in here. They're going to take, with the exception of the tiles along there by where the cover ends, they're going to take off all these tiles along the 3 sides of the pool. They're going to fix the stone. They're going to fix the brick. And then I think there's even some work on this side they're going to do. They're going to fix the stone and the brick. And then once that is done, they got new tiles on and everything. Then the pool is going to be completely drained all the way down. Then the pool guy is going to work on the marble dusting. And over here you can see the top step is now out of the water. So yeah, by tomorrow morning it should be pretty much where it has to be. I'll definitely make a video on that. What else did I want to say here? I swear there was something else I wanted to add here. You know what, give me a second. Okay, I just remember what I wanted to say. I wanted to say I cleaned out I also cleaned out the pool waterfall today, because, you know, they're going to marble dust that as well. You can see here's the bottom all cleaned out, and there's the top piece, and oh, that's also what I wanted to say. For those of you who were familiar with all my Route 110 videos back in 2012 and 2013, I'm going to do something similar with these videos. I'm going to make a playlist of the pool repair, because I'm not sure if I'll have any other videos in between the progress videos I make on this project. So I'm going to put all these videos into a playlist, probably named Pool Repair. So if you want to watch any of these in order as they come out, you'll be able to from there. So just so I give you guys a heads up on that. But as far as I know, for right now, that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to show you what this looks like after an hour has passed since he plugged the pump in. And you can see it's way below the tiles now, so it's really pumping out well. And you can see pretty soon the jet over there is going to be above the water. And you can see how far down it is from the waterfall outlet over there. And yeah, so alright guys, so this is like part one of sorts, I guess. So tomorrow morning I will probably make another video on this, and we'll get to see what it looks like from there. So here's part one, and once again we will make more videos on this as the project progresses.